Hi, today I'll be taking you through the setup of the TRSF-6L. Here is what it looks like fully terminated. The equipment needed to assemble this connector is the coax cable stripper, the compression tool, RG6 cable, a cable cutting tool, and of course the connector itself. The TRSF-6L is an RG6 Foxtel approved connector. Firstly, get your stripper tool, insert the cable and wind it around. Afterwards, pull back the braid and the foil sheath. Then, get your connector, twist on and push. Grab your compression tool, open handles, insert prepared connector, make sure it locks in and compress by squeezing the handles together. Lastly, use your cable cutting tool to cut off the center conductor to approximately 1 to 2 mm from the end of the connector, and the job is done. But wait, what happens when using the wrong compression tool for a connector? I'll show you. As we use the CT01S, notice as it compresses the connector, it damages the base, affecting the integrity of the connection. For this connector, you must use a tool with a 360-degree closed gate for an even compression, such as the 26MM-CT04. Be sure to always use the right tools. For further information, please call 1-800-ARIEL or visit our website matchmaster.com.au. Thanks for watching.